Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Codecademy app on your PC. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open your app store if you are a Mac user, but if you are a Windows user, then open your Play Store. Now after you open your app store, on the search bar type in Codecademy. Now click on this iPhone and iPad apps. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. And here you can see Get button, click on Get. Now click on Install. After that, it is going to ask for verification. And after your verification, your download has been started. Now after your download is completed, you can see Open button here, click on Open, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to download Codecademy on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.